Dear man, having sex is not making love. There is hardly any man out there without the burden of sexual performance. But you see, it is sad that most men suffer in silence, seeking solutions that turn out to be both destructive and addictive. I've been there, and I remember how those years took away my confidence and the pleasure of sex. See, sex is not a battle to be won. Sex is not a contest to demonstrate prowess. Sex is not a challenge that you must confront or stand up to. Sex is not about you. It's all about your wife. The pleasure you can give her the way she wants it. Sex is a learning curve. It is an expedition that you and your madam embark on. Sex is not a singular event. It is a journey. This journey requires the humility to learn what she likes and the selflessness to do what she enjoys. I know there are days that you just want to go hard, but remember, it is not all about you. The whole essence of sex is to express love to your wife and vice versa. Your entire preoccupation must be for her to enjoy herself. If you can do this consistently, you would have a happier wife to live with. So dear man, having sex is not really bad, but it's not making love. What your wife deserves and desires is that you make love to her. You really should have this conversation with her and together decide to focus on satisfying each other instead of being obsessed with self. So dear man, stop having sex and start making love.